Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Today we'll see how can you again install tiles over your existing hard flooring. This hard flooring may be existing tiles, marbles or that old terrazzo flooring. We'll see the entire procedure by which we can again place the flooring over this. By this you will get a new flooring without even removing the older one. In this area we will make tile over tile flooring. And for this we need a special tile adhesive, that is SikaCeram 125 Easy Fix. This is a polymer modified cementitious tile adhesive, using which we can fix new tiles over old flooring. It is extremely user friendly. As you can see in this video, paste can be prepared by just mixing it with water. To make it, we need to prepare mixing ratio such that 150 ml water for 1 kg powder like this. Then, while fixing of tiles, you can even use spacers to maintain same gaps between the tiles. Then we need to follow normal tile fixing procedure only. At last we need to fill the gaps that we have kept between the tiles using spacers. This is the tile gap filling operation. In this way you can fix tile over tile. So friends, I hope this video was useful for you, and if this is so, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel Civil Engineering Forum. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.